Hello and welcome back to Take Me Around. Today I am very excited because we are about to unbox a couple of cool products. We have received a cutting machine here and a press machine from our friends from LOKLiK. And these are the kind of products that will help creative people like you and me bring those ideas and those designs to reality, putting them in our clothes, just like this one here. So let's go and open them and see what they're about, and I'll show you later how to use them. I'm very excited about this project today. And there you go, we have here the two products. This is the same, this is a cutting machine. We have received one in white color, one in green color. They come in 4 different options for you to choose. And the pressing machine, we have one in white color. The box includes, of course, all the information. We have a guarantee card, we have the manual with all the instructions to let you know how to use them. Although on their website, you can find all the instructions step by step how to use them with some videos and some very detailed instructions. We also have some cables like the USB connector for the cutting machine to the computer. You also have the power adapter, and the power cord or the power cable is already connected to the pressing machine. So there you are. These are the 2 beautiful products that will help us to make those wonderful, cool designs and stamp them on our clothes. So let's go through that right now. Okay, we already have the products out of the boxes, and the next step is to think and decide what kind of design you want to stamp on your clothes. Once you decide what you want to have, you can send it and transfer to your computer. LOKLiK has their own software that will help you put it in there and transfer it to the cutting machine that will later cut in the material, and this is the final design that you will use for your clothes. So what I'm doing right now here is sending the design that I just created on my phone to the computer, put it in the middle of the canvas, because this app is very useful. It will give you all the tools that you might need to change shape. You can even use your own tools to create your design within the application or within the software from LOKLiK. And now it's been ready to send to the cutting machine to cut it on the material, and then will be ready to be stamped on the shirt. Now, once we transferred all the designs to the computer, to the LOKLiK software, we're gonna need 2 more things. This is called heat transfer vinyl, and this is the material that will help to put all these designs in the fabric or the material like the clothes we're going to use today. We have several different kind of colors. We have some light colors for the dark clothes, and we have dark colors for the light clothes. So let's start first doing the first step, which is opening the mat and transfer the vinyl to this grid or this mat here. Something important we need to check is which side goes which side. So first we need to open it a little bit to make sure the vinyl, the actual vinyl, is on top, and the plastic, the protecting plastic, is on the bottom. This is a little bit tricky. Okay, now here we are. We find this part is the one that goes on the top, this one goes on the bottom, because this is protecting plastic. So we need to attach it to the green mat here. Make sure it's all the way attached or stick to the mat. There are no bubbles left. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Okay, so now I have the design ready, and it's ready to be sent to the cutting machine that we have here. We need to place the mat here, press here, so we can just like align it and take it inside. And then in the computer, I need to select, I need to flip first. This is an important step we need to do. horizontally flip because these are letters. So we need to flip it in order to like have the right when it's cutting out, I mean. Then let's do it, start. And the magic will start happening. Now it's ready, it finished the cutting part and it seems it's very nicely cut, very detailed, very accurate. Now it's time to take this part out. And we already finished the first two steps and we finally get the designs that we're going to stamp in the clothes. I have here a brand new white shirt that I bought yesterday, and the designs. Now the last step is using the pressing machine that we have here. We already plug it, I need to turn it on, start hitting it on and start the action. I think this is the most exciting part because this is the end and we're going to see the final result on our clothes. So let's do it. Okay, now I already turned it on. I need to open this base here, where that's the place where we're going to place t-shirt or the different clothes that you want to use for your projects. So we're gonna wait until the machine reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the moment with the amount of heat necessary to do the whole job. Right now it's 250, so we're working on that. Red button is blinking. Once it turns to green, it means it's ready for the action. I'm going to also put the protective layer on it. And just wait for it, maybe 20 more degrees, 30 more degrees, and it's ready to do it.
A few moments later.
300 degrees, the button has turned to green. Let's do it. Ooh. It's beeping. Okay, for 20 seconds, the pressing machine is gonna go against the t-shirt and the design, and we'll right now stamp it on our shirt. 2 more seconds. Let's see. Voila! Going around productions, that was the design we have made today. That's gonna be the back. That's the first step. Let's do now the second step is going to be my name. Let's do it. Yeah, we need to put the thing inside. 20 more seconds. Ooh, here we go. Now the front part, going around productions, Rafa, that's my name, that's me. Let's peel it out. Ooh, perfect. That looks very cool. How cool is that? That's the very first shirt for going around productions, and we did it ourselves. And here we are. This is our first t-shirt designed using the LOKLiK pressing machine. We can see here the front and the back. Tell me it doesn't look cool. Tell me it doesn't look very nice making your own designs, designing your clothes, the colors, the draws, the letters, the logos of your company. Now you can do it on your own.
Here we go. You could take me there to
And we have had so much fun today making our own super cool designs. This is an extra one I made. First I made the white one, now I have the black one. On the back is going to be white. I'll show you. On the front, as you can see, is kind of a silver. We've made several with the logo of Going Around Productions. So I really had fun making these designs. I'm actually planning to keep using this machine to make more super cool original designs for me to wear every day here. Let me know what you think of these kind of technologies. Let me know what you think about this machine in the comments down below. If you want to check out more information, I will also make sure to share the link to the company that is bringing and manufacturing these kind of technologies for you guys. So that has been it for today. Thank you so much for watching as usual. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.